Brooke Ence is a prominent figure in the fitness industry, known for her achievements as a CrossFit athlete, actress, and entrepreneur. Born on August 10, 1991, she grew up in California, where her passion for dance began at a young age. Ence pursued a dance major at the University of Utah, aiming for a career in musical theater. However, her journey took a pivotal turn when she discovered CrossFit while preparing for a dance audition in 2013. This led her to compete, and she quickly made a name for herself in the CrossFit community, finishing first in 2 categories at the 2015 FBB CrossFit Games. In addition to her athletic success, Ence has transitioned into acting, appearing in major films such as Wonder Woman and Justice League, where she played an Amazon warrior. These roles have allowed her to merge her fitness expertise with performance art, showcasing her versatility. Ence is also an entrepreneur, having launched the Neck Training app, which promotes fitness and nutrition within a supportive community. Her commitment to health and wellness extends beyond her personal training, as she actively shares her journey and insight through social media and podcasts. Brooke Ence continues to inspire many with her dedication to fitness, her entrepreneurial spirit, and her ability to balance multiple passions, making her a role model in both the athletic and entertainment realms.